Okay, questions 33 through 36 are asking us to find the vertex. Now we've learned a couple different methods for doing this depending on the form of the quadratic. Question number 33, the quadratic is written as y equals x minus 1 parentheses squared plus 5. Now class, looking in your flipbook or recalling your knowledge of first semester, this quadratic is in vertex form, which is pretty nice because that means our vertex is found where we find the values of h and k. This is x minus h squared plus k squared, and we learned the vertex is at hk. So our vertex is pretty easy to find. Our vertex is at, let's take a look. The h value here is actually a flip of this particular number, -1. Because the equation for vertex form has a minus sign in it, that means we flip the h value. So if we have -1 in parentheses here, that means our h value here is +1. The k value we keep. So here our k value is +5, that remains +5. And our vertex is going to be at 1, -5. And remember, our vertex is just our minimum or maximum point on our parabola. If we look at our two parabolas in the previous example, our vertex would have been the minimum point on a parabola that faces up, or the maximum point of our parabola that faces down. And remember, our vertex is also exactly on the line of symmetry, or axis of symmetry, which divides the parabola into two identical reflected halves. So number 33, the vertex is at 1, 5. Number 34, thankfully enough, is also in vertex form. Vertex form. So here's our vertex again. We have an h value and a k value. This is going to be h, this is going to be k, but remember, for the vertex we have to flip the sign of h. That means +7 is actually -7 in our formula, and k value we keep. K value is -2. So our vertex here is -7, -2. We'll start a new video for question number 35.